The shape and size of Asian eyelids and eyes are largely due to genetic and evolutionary factors. Here are some of the key explanations. First, let's talk about the epicanthic fold. Many people of East Asian descent have what's known as an epicanthic fold, which is a skin fold of the upper eyelid that covers the inner corner, or canthus, of the eye. This fold can give the eyes a more narrow or folded appearance. Interestingly, the epicanthic fold isn't exclusive to Asians. It's also present in other populations, including some Native American and African groups. Now let's move on to evolutionary adaptation. One hypothesis is that the epicanthic fold evolved as an adaptation to cold, windy, or high UV environments. For example, ancestors of East Asians living in the harsh climates of the northern Asian steppes would have benefited from these features as protection against the cold, dust, wind, and intense sunlight. The shape of the eye may help reduce the amount of light entering, providing some degree of protection from UV rays and glare from snow-covered landscapes. Eye shape is primarily determined by genetics. The genes responsible for these traits have been passed down through generations. Variations in eye shapes and sizes among different ethnic groups, including the presence of the epicanthic fold, are simply examples of human genetic diversity. The eyelids of East Asians often have more fatty tissue than those of other ethnic groups, which can contribute to the appearance of smaller eyes. This additional tissue provides protection for the eye, potentially offering an advantage in certain environmental conditions. Overall, these features are the result of genetic variation and evolutionary adaptation to different climates and environments over thousands of years.